Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix this error whenever you encounter this on your Rockstar Games launcher. Let's begin. First, I want you to go ahead and click on your Windows Start menu over here, type change the date and the time. Click on it. Then make sure set time automatically is enabled or turned on. Set time zone is on. And then double check your time zone if it's actually accurate. And once everything is good, click on sync now. This is very important for most users. This worked for them. Now close it. Then open up your favorite browser. Go to the official website, rockstargames.com, log into your account, then click on your profile icon right over here, go to account, manage accounts, go to connections, and what we need to do in here, you simply need to unlink everything and then link them back again. Go ahead, relaunch your games. What I mean is your Rockstar games, and everything should now be working smoothly as ever. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.